how to put products onto categories in Shopify. Now, there's not really a categories option in Shopify, so you'll have to settle with collections, but it's basically the same thing. So let's go on to products and make sure you have products actually available on your shop. I have pants and I have shirt right now. And let's go to collections. Here, I already have some collections made, so pants and shirt. But for example's sake, I'll just make a new collection as well. On this collection, I'll put in clothes. And the paragraph will be all types of clothes. I'll save. And then we can start categorizing our products. So for example, on the pants collection, I'll of course put in pants. So let's just search that, pants. I'll add that. And now the pants will be on the pants categories. Next, let's go to shirts. And of course, if it's shirts, then we'll add shirts onto the category. And now for clothes, we'll add both of them, shirts and then pants. Just like that. And now your products are neatly categorized. Pants are as pants, shirt are as in shirt, and both of them are in clothes because they're both clothes. And that is how you categorize your products in Shopify. It's as easy as that.